Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. I am Glenn D'Souza. You might also know me by Devilish Dicer. That is my main channel. That is my gaming channel actually. Mm, so I am recording this vlog because um, I have an inspiration, guys. Let's just say like I want to be a great person in life. So you will like my videos, don't worry. I'm going to make the small vlog on this to my introduction. You might be wondering how I look like. This is how I look like in real life. You might even check my Instagram. I always post my Instagram first in my videos, then in my Facebook. On both of my social medias, I am posting my. I used to post my photos and stuff, so you can check that out. You might be wondering why am I in a room? So let me turn the camera. This is my room where I make videos. This is my PC. This is all my gaming room, you could say. It's not like, it's like you might be wondering why there room here, why is there all books here. So this used to be this room used to be old room. So it is night time right now, so I will make this video small. I'll just introduce myself so you know me as. I will just give you a brief information. Devilish Dicer is my main channel where I post videos of gaming. Go subscribe to that channel. Then if you want to subscribe, then subscribe here. This is starting to my YouTube vlogs or something. So I was getting told by my friends that they wanted to see vlogs, so I just make vlogs of some of my daily life. So I just started my room here for the starting, because if I go down, there are my parents. I told my mom that I am recording video, but she is doing work there. They are not prepared for the vlog, so I'll introduce them when they are neatly dressed. So I'll just give you a brief introduction on my PC, how I do all my stuff, videos and stuff. So let's just begin. So guys, this is I have taken a bath, so I'll just be careful. This is UPS, guys. This is let me just I don't think so we can, but let me just pause for a bit. No, sorry guys about the brightness. Maybe next time I'll try. No, I did not. Sorry about that. Sorry about the brightness, guys, but here is the bright thing. So let me just, okay, it's on. That's UPS, guys. You might be wondering what is that. That is UPS. If the light goes, let me show you something. Don't mind my hair, guys. Yeah, this is the main, this shows that there is power in my house, or you can say light, because I am an Indian, so we have an habit of saying light, and I think my viewers are from India. So this is the power thing, there is power in our house, so that's why I have on two lights. So I'll just go. This is UPS, that if your light goes or power goes, then you can on this, and then your PC might work for a bit, and then it might shut off. So just I'll give you a brief introduction of my PC. So let's just start. So the recording is going on, so I'll just press this button. This button is for the power. This is for something I don't know. This is for the lights, these lights. So this is my desktop. These are my headphones. This is my old mobile. So as you can see here there is no net here, so I'll just on this phone. Oh, this is gonna be very hard, so I'll just do this and then do that. Sorry for the shaking, guys, because it's very tough to do on one hand. Yeah, the net came. So as you can see, it's almost 9:54. Monday, April. I have to. I usually sleep at like 10 or 11, so it's fine. I'm sweating, guys. It's very hot here in India right now because of Corona, guys. Corona has devastated our life. I will not go detail about that, but I'll introduce to my PC. So as you can see, there is password here. So I will not show you guys my password, but let me just type my password. Yeah, I typed it with one hand, still it works. So here it is. If you are wondering what is this folder, why is it written like this, Astria, so this is my cousin sister. She used to come here to work on her some work, so don't mind that. Yeah, this is the things. So let me just cancel. This is the Steam, guys. This is my brother's account. This is the mechanical keyboard you were hearing noises about in my some videos, or maybe you might have not. So what the problem is that, guys, about my mechanical keyboard is like my brother had brought the mechanical keyboard. It's very expensive, but it like makes some weird noises. Like sometimes if you like press the keys, it won't press only. So my brother had like fixed it with the chattering keys, but it did not work. So it used to like shatter. So I might just give a brief information about the games, and I might even show you my channel, like if you want. Like it's a brief information about me. So this is all my school work, this is all my sister's work, cousin sister. So here is the game, the Valorant I was playing. This is very tough game, guys. I don't know why I could not play it. Epic Games Launcher, this is the Among Us. Steam, this game has some problem, guys. Like if you guys are YouTubers, you might know there is a thing called copyright claim. So if you don't know, like I'll explain it. If you post a video and if the YouTube or something finds, if you like upload a video, then in the restrictions there comes copyrighted or something like that. Then that means that your video has some content which belongs to someone else, like something like that. So you will not get the money if the video becomes monetized. Like if my channel is not being monetized yet, so please make it, but I'm not forcing you. If you don't want to